Guys, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, guys. Welcome back to another video about Saitama, guys. In this video, I'm talking about the currently price update of Saitama. Is in the currently price of Saitama, will increase more or not, guys. Simply, guys, it is a last chance to be a millionaire for all Saitama holders, guys. Let me explain, but guys, if you are new here, if you don't subscribe our channel, so first of all, please kindly subscribe now ABS Tech channel for more news and update videos. Guys, at this time, if you're talking about the currently latest price of Saitama, so the currently price is still very cheap, guys, and I believe that it is opportunity for investment, guys. You can see here, uh, 0.0000000. Oh my God, there is a lot of zero in the price of Saitama. So that means that it is a low price coin. In the other side, guys, you know what? That is the interesting fact of Saitama, that the price is cheap, the changes is positive. So everybody can easily invest in Saitama and easily can get a huge profit, guys. So that's why, guys, if you have a lot of investment, so invest now more and more in Saitama and just hold for 5 to 6 days. You know what? Now, from last 7 days, I also predicated Saitama in my previous videos, that possibility that in the last half of October the price of Saitama will pump. So as you can see now, it is only 5 to 6 days remaining in October and the price of Saitama is going to moon, guys. Other side, you can see 24 hours trading volume, and other side 125% trading volume is positive. That's mean that 125% people just invest in Saitama in last 24 hours. That's mean that it is a profitable coin. That's why a lot of people are investing. You know what? If people understand that there is a profit in Saitama, so that's why they're investing, guys. So that's clear. I also recommend, I also suggest for all of you, if you want to invest in a crypto, Saitama is the best option for all of you. Saitama is the best opportunity for all of you because the price of Saitama is very cheap. Other side, the change is positive, guys. So guys, I recommend holding and I recommend buying, guys, in the right now situation. Anyways, what's your opinion, what's your price prediction, and what's your feelings about Saitama? Share in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and update videos.